Therapeutix ball rolling therapy is a technique that helps you to reduce pain, prevent injury, and align your body for optimum health. The air-filled sphere is the basis of our treatment to stimulate structure and open the body. Then we get more specific with different sizes of spheres. These are T-spheres aromatherapy massage balls. This is where we'll do deep tissue myofascial release after we've opened the body. What we do is we stimulate that bone and use breathing techniques to sink the weight of our whole body into that sphere. And once we do that, then we open all the tissues that attach to the structure and bone, and we create space in the body. This self-fix method includes not only aligning your body, opening and creating space in the body, we are strengthening the core and utilizing breathing techniques, which will help your whole body work better. If you want to repattern old injuries, prevent injury, reduce chronic pain, and increase flexibility, Sphere Therapeutix is for you. Come, roll with us.